Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: account, admin rights, and an API token. First, verify your email and enable two-factor authentication. This prevents lockouts. Once done, install the EERM Bot client or add it to your workspace and grant the minimal admin permission needed to operate. Next, paste the API token into the bot settings and choose a default workspace so the bot knows where to act. These first steps get the bot online and ready to receive commands immediately. Now you configure rules and workflows that define how the EERM Bot responds. Start by mapping triggers, keyword phrases, incoming webhooks, scheduled cron events, or specific file types, then assemble rule sets with clear conditions, priority order, and associated actions like notifications or automated responses. Make sure to set rate limits and retry logic so the bot behaves predictably. Test in a development workspace. Watch logs in verbose mode and iterate until responses are accurate. Finally, deploy carefully. Roll out in stages, for example 10%, then 50%, then full so you can catch issues early. Monitor key metrics like latency, error rate percentage, throughput, and direct user feedback to ensure stability. If something goes wrong, roll back to the previous stable version immediately, inspect structured logs to find the failure point, reproduce the problem in a sandbox, and apply a targeted patch. One key tip: always keep a known good backup configuration ready to restore quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.